Most people don't start a YouTube channel because they're afraid of one thing. What if nobody watches? I had the same hesitation because once you start working a 9 to 5 desk job, you are trained to stay behind the scenes, not in front of a camera. In 2026, YouTube is not just an entertainment platform, it's a search engine, it's a public proof of competence because I believe it's a personal knowledge archive for you. Because these days, people don't just trust titles, they trust clarity. Because if you can explain something to someone clearly, they believe you have a deeper understanding on that topic. Let me give you an example. How often you had a chance to explain something to your colleague, like a process, a tool, or even he or she making a decisions in a one-to-one conversation. So when you explain something loud to your colleague, your understanding becomes more sharper. Making videos on the YouTube does the same thing. It's just on camera. So your first 10, 20 or 25 videos are not just content, they're training reps for your own clarity. So in most professional roles in my field, technical skills are expected. What separates people, how they do these three things? Explain technical complex ideas simply. Stay calm and clear and think with purpose. Because I have seen great ideas fail because they weren't explained well, and I have seen simple ideas succeed because they were explained very easily. And YouTube quietly trains you to do this. So in 2026, your resume might be private, but your digital footprint is always public. Your YouTube channel may or may not say that you are an expert on something, but it might say that you can explain something clearly what you know, and that builds trust before the first conversation. Earlier, sharing knowledge used to require a lot of permission. Now you don't need any approval to share about your personal experiences, your lessons learned, your principles, or any frameworks. You just need consistency. And one more thing, when you explain something clearly to someone, you might notice gaps, and it shows not you're weak. It means that clarity exposes reality, and it will only accelerate your learning. Most people fail on YouTube because they feel they don't have the talent to do this. I believe if you start showing up on something, you always gain an edge. Some people stop showing up on YouTube, and that's how they fail. Remember one thing, your social media post might disappear in few hours, but if you make one video or make multiple videos, in those one video might be helpful to a lot of people over the course of years. And if you think your early videos are embarrassing, always remember they are your foundations. Starting a YouTube channel, it's not about becoming an influencer. It's about creating your digital footprint because in a world where visibility creates opportunity. So start your video, start your channel when nobody is watching because when somebody finally does, you will be ready.